Guys, welcome back. Today what I'm going to be doing is using a hair catcher. So I'm not sure if anybody else has actually done this before. I'm always looking for new tips and tricks and new ways of doing things. So welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so down below. Really appreciate it. And give it a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. So with this, I have experimented the other day, and I found that the thinner your paint is, the better result you're going to get in this instance. Although in saying that, you don't want your paint to be way too thin, obviously, because then you'll start finding it's going to crack. So I'm just going to add colors. And I'm using what I have left. This is just obviously to show you results. So I think because this has got this little doodad underneath there, I'm going to pour in some purple just so it can sit on there and not have a little blank spot. And I'm going to try and give it a little stir. I'll just split it so that the colours are split a bit. And this gives a completely different effect. So I might just put a little bit more white in the center. And maybe we'll get like a little special effect going on there. And as with the colander, you want to leave it for a little while so it all pours through. And then lift it, and you want to hold it for a little bit so that all those little drips come out. And you'll be quite surprised what effect you'll get. I think the next time I try this, I'm going to try do a little bit more with it So if you have subscribed, you will see the next video that comes out. Oh, this is stunning. Look at that. Now there's no silicone in this paint at all. And again, I don't want to lose that. That is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I'm just going to pull this gently, help the paint move a bit, because I don't really want it to, I don't want to lose that effect. So in the comments below, in the comments or description, I will leave the colours I've used. That is stunning. I hope you guys can get that, the full picture of that. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you down and show you. So stick around and have a look. See what it looks like close up. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like close up. Wow. That is beautiful. I wish I could actually get a much bigger one so that I could do it on a larger scale. But it is a hair strainer that you'll put in your plug. So it's not going to come any bigger than that. But man, that's beautiful. Wow. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.